Face sets and masks are useful tools for cloth sculpting. Using the Draw Face Sets brush, you can draw face sets. Hold Ctrl with the mouse cursor over a face set to continue painting that face set. Or hold Shift to smooth the borders. Enable Face Set Boundary Auto Masking to use the face set borders as areas not affected by the cloth brush. Similarly, you can use the Mask brush to paint areas not affected by the cloth brush. This creates interesting effects, for example in combination with the Expand Deformation type. Finally, using the Cloth filter, we can also add a deformation to the entire mesh all at once.